Hey there, folks. I just discovered that there's a Five Below in my city, which I never knew about before. So I got a chance to check it out. And there I found this squishy kit. Design your own squishy kit. And it's really cute. It looks like a little dinosaur, but I'm going to make it into Godzilla for my husband. It's going to be a birthday gift for him. Shh, don't tell. Okay. So, this comes with its own little paints. I'm not really sure that these paints are really very good quality, so I'm going to just use some of my own paints and materials, and we'll see where this goes. Let's get to making art. There he is. Okay, I really like this. I think he's so cute. Arr. Yep, it's Godzilla, all right. We can listen to him roar. Arr. Arr. Let's do the squish chest. He's got a nice silver scaly chest here, and I think my husband will really like it. Though I needed to give him another test here. I set up a kind of a fake city here with some little logs. We'll see what happens if I put him in there. Here's another thing I bought at Five Below. These are called Smooshies. They're little squishies, and they come with little pens to color them. Now, my question is will these pens work? Because usually the kind of cheap little pens that they put in kits like these are watercolor markers. And watercolor markers won't work on something smooth like this. But I'm going to give them a try, and we'll kind of test them out. And if they don't work, then I'm going to use my considerable collection of Sharpie pens to maybe do some coloring on these. Let's see how it all works out. Look at my little froggy friend. I think he turned out pretty cute. He's very squishy. Let you see him from the back here. Rubber, 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 rubber. He's got bright pink eyes, like a proper tree frog. So actually, I would have to give this kit not bad marks. I think this is actually kind of fun to do. Hello. Rubber, 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 rubber. Yeah, I know. I love this kind of thing way too much. I'm only 59 years old. Actually, I'll be 59. I'm 58 and a half. I'll be 59 in July. But this is so cute.